Ndioma Owadikwarunuma. You are welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be learning about Igbo language alphabets. Yes, so when you're trying to learn a language, you first start from the basics, which is usually alphabets. So when you learn alphabets, you can be able to, your learning journey will be made a lot more easier. So today we are going to learn about Igbo language alphabets. Yes, and they are called Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. They are also called ABD Igbo. So you can call them ABD Igbo or Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. When we were in school, we used to call it Abichidi Igbo. But it is Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo means, what it means is alphabet, Igbo language alphabet, ABD Igbo. And Igbo alphabets are 36 in number. Hadi iri atọ na isi n'ọnụọgụ. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo dị iri atọ na isi n'ọnụọgụ. And Igbo alphabets are divided into two parts. Just like in English language, we have vowel sounds and consonants. Likewise, in Igbo language, we have vowels and consonants. Vowels are known as Odaume in Igbo language. Can you say it? Odaume, Odaume in Igbo language. That is vowel sounds, vowels. Odaume. Consonants are known as Mgbochi ume in Igbo language. Mgbochi ume. Mgbochi ume. Can you say that? Mgbochi ume. Correct. Don't forget. We have n'asụsụ Igbo, anyị nwere ụdaume asatọ nakwa mgbochi ume iri abụọ na asatọ. N'asụsụ Igbo, anyị nwere ụdaume asatọ na mgbochi ume iri abụọ na asatọ. So we have 28 consonant sounds and 8 vowel sounds, which are known as Odaume and Mgbochiume in Igbo language. So to the alphabet, to the Igbo alphabet, I'm going to read out the 36 Igbo alphabets we have, starting from A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, R, W, H, I, J, K, B, W, L, M, N, R, W, N, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, V, W, N, Z. Let's do that again. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, R, W, H, I, J, K, B, W, L, M, N, R, W, N, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, V, W, N, Z. That is the 36 Igbo alphabets that I have read out to you now. So I would like you to practice it. Just rewind this video and practice it with me. Remember, the best way to learn is by practice. So rewind this video and practice them with me. In our next class, I am going to give you examples of these Igbo letters, alphabets. I'm going to give you example of words that are associated to these Igbo letters. There are a lot of them, but I'm going to give you 36 Igbo language words associated with these letters. in our next class. Don't forget to practice, and I will see you in our next class. Don't forget, Igbo Amaka, ka emesịa.